Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to discuss our science topic, our senses. So open your book page 26 and 27.
Our topic for today is sense organs. Our 5 sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. We are able to learn, understand and enjoy all the things around us because of our sense organs. Our eyes help us to see the different objects around us. With the help of our ears, we can hear and differentiate the different kinds of sounds. Smell is the power of detecting a fragrance or an odor. We can smell with the help of our nose. The sense of smell is connected to the sense of taste. Food tastes less tasty if the nose is blocked. The taste buds on the tongue help us to enjoy the different flavors of food. Our 5th sense organ is the skin. Our skin acts as a blanket to protect us from heat, cold and germs.
I hope you understood this lecture. Write all these questions given on book page 27 on your notebook. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Bye.